there, welcome to my haunted manor. Okay, just kidding. I don't think it's haunted, but I do have 4 little dog gremlins running around, 3 of which you will see in today's video. Since spooky season is officially upon us, I am going to make things a little more frightfully festive for the month of October around the house. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Brittney. Hello and welcome. I'm so happy that you're here with me. I absolutely love decorating my home for each and every season, and of course, sharing it here with you on YouTube. As I mentioned a bit ago, I have 4 little dogs that you will see here in my videos from time to time. If you enjoy home decorating, organizing, and all the seasonal things, I would love to have you as a subscriber to my channel because there is lots more of that to come. I always have to make sure the throw pillows are buddy approved. Minky also wanted to check it out this time. In the next clip, you may notice him sitting on the chair in the background on the right side. His favorite thing to do is sit on them and look out the window. He is usually just watching for deer or the neighbor's cat because those are his 2 favorite things to bark at. These spooky and fun glitter Halloween trees that you will see all over my house this Halloween are from Balsam Hill, and they are the decor that I was most excited to use this season. I knew basically since last October that this year I really wanted to do a haunted forest theme in the house, and of course Balsam Hill delivered the perfect piece of decor. Another Balsam Hill favorite this season are these stackable jack-o'-lanterns. I have these on my front porch as well. I actually shared them in my fall front porch video if you've seen that one. They have a battery and remote controlled magnetic light that goes inside the top of each, so they light up even when you stack them, which I just think is so cool. These are so nostalgic for me. They remind me of the jack-o'-lanterns my mom used to use in her decor when I was a little girl. If you're interested in these pieces, I have them linked in the description box. Be sure to use my code FALLBRITNEY for $50 off your purchase of $300 or more, so I will have all the details for you below. Since I'm using a lot of black birds in my design this October because we've got to keep the theme going going, a haunted forest is not a haunted forest without scary birds, right? I thought it would only be fitting to do a little ode to Poe, so I framed his portrait here. I found this one on Etsy. I also have this really fun little typewriter that I found at HomeGoods several years ago, so it is the perfect fit for this table. Now I'm going to give the fireplace mantle and hearth a little haunted touch. I didn't want to change this up too much because I love the decor here that I've had out for the fall season so far. I just wanted to give it a bit of a spooky vibe. So I removed the garland and I'm simply adding some gauze fabric and some ravens. I found this large skeleton at Walmart this year and I knew I wanted him to greet guests and trick-or-treaters, so I decided to add him to the entry treat table. Now he will be guarding all of the candies, so grab some if you dare. As I was editing this, I realized that I randomly have a witch's hat on here. This is definitely the result of me rummaging through seasonal storage boxes. This is what it looks like, but I watched this back and kind of wished I had worn it the whole time. I like it. It's pretty cute. Unboxing these trees and putting them together is super easy. These trees come in 3 different sizes, 4 foot, 5 foot, and 6 foot. They light up orange, which I love. It is so fun. You'll see a bit later in this video when I plug them in. They really brought my theme to life. I cannot wait for you to see it all come together. This might be my favorite decor all year, this Halloween. Here is what they look like with their lights on. This is so cool, right? They have a timer. So once you plug them in and set it, they will stay on for 6 hours and then off for 18, which is really nice because I am sure you know, but having to go around and unplug or plug these things in, especially when you use several in your decor, can be a pain. So this feature is so great. I didn't film any afters at night this time, but we still have some Halloween decorating to do on my channel after this video today. So I will be sure to share what it looks like all lit up at night very soon. This is just baby Hank being mischievous, and you can't hear me in this clip, but I am telling him not to go upstairs. Will he listen? And that's a no. Once I set this tree up here by the stairs, I thought it was looking pretty bare around the base, so I decided to add these really cool pre-lit orbs that I have. They are also from Balsam Hill. They actually are made to hang, which is really cool, and they're indoor-outdoor, but they kind of remind me of pumpkins, so I thought it would be neat to use them around the base here, especially since they light up. I really like how it turned out.